find a place where people can stay, and then maybe go when time seems to be the best. Refugee is a person that needs to flee their country because of war or other problems.
You have a shelter? Or where are you sleeping?
We have a sleeping bag.
Oh, you do have just one?
Just one.
So you might need to purchase more?
I feel like they need water. They're going to be fleeing their country, and a lighter, as well as the shoes on my feet.
I would take some iron wool, a 9-volt battery, and a Swiss knife.
So there's a pen for you, and then we'll take a fingerprint afterwards. There you go, my dear. Okay. So in order to get some provisions, you need to complete one of these each family member.
Germany, remember Germany.
Don't lose it because it's to get your vital necessities.
Thank you.
So we need to let you fill yours in.
Just grab 3 things and just leave.
Medicine, clothes, maybe a compass.
I am willing to trade my shoes and my gloves.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Let's do it. What do you need right now?
We need 3 blankets and a tent. Or like jewelry or...
And wear your instruments.
We need to talk. We need to talk, guys. Phone.
Alright, we'll be back. Yeah, please do. Stop wasting our time.
I've got a hair tie. Now let's gather everything that we have. Can you give away your book?
No, shape up!
Who knows?
Something, I don't know.
Does it look like I don't speak French? You don't? Okay.
So we have $20 plus a book.
This is real silver.
It's the jacket, like you said. We're giving the jacket.
No, for a sleeping bag and fruit.
You did not go through a military point? Did they allow you in here? How did you get access to the tent? Who? The doctor? She's not running the tent. Everyone out, please, now.
Is this the military check?
No, this is Medair.
Somalia.
Somalia. This is Syria here.
Immigrant.
There you go. Good story time. Okay. Go. Syria. What's your surname? Sorry? What's your surname? Good line, please. I need to see your ID and I need to see your food coupons.
I can't feel my legs. I can't feel my anything. This is bad. This is terrible. Hi. Oh, here again. He's gotten even more sick, and we've just run out of food. And we have like no more water. We drank most of it.
And how did you get here?
We walked from.
Personally, I think it would be a kind of weird idea to go separated, because there is danger, because there's danger if you're fleeing, then if they went by themselves, you could lose a member of your family and nobody could be there.
I think that the hardest thing is to have to leave to leave a place where you have lived, where you got attached. It's like everything you own, and just in one night you just have to leave and don't really have time to take everything with you, so you just take the most essential things and then just leave.
And you never know if you're going to see people that you love again or not. You never know if you're going to see them again. You never know if they'll die or not. Just these kind of situations.